Friends, Python has become one of the most practical ways to enter tech today. It's used everywhere, from web development and automation to data science and AI. And demand for Python developers keeps growing. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I'll show you how to learn Python without getting stuck in tutorial hell. Most beginners don't fail because Python is hard. They fail because they don't know what to learn, in what order, and how to practice effectively. Instead of random courses and endless videos, we'll focus on a clear learning approach that removes guesswork and keeps everything structured. No chaos, no overload. Just a realistic path to job-ready Python skills. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Mates, before diving into specific courses, it's important to understand one thing. Learning Python isn't about collecting videos or certificates. It's about building habits, repetition, and confidence through practice. That's why structure matters more than individual lessons. Without a clear path, even good material becomes overwhelming. With the right structure, learning becomes predictable and manageable. This is exactly why certain platforms show up repeatedly in Python and AI learning paths. So guys, this is where structured platforms like datacamp come in. Datacamp is an interactive learning platform focused on data, programming, and artificial intelligence, built around one simple idea: learning by doing, not by watching. Instead of long lectures, everything happens inside the browser. You work through short explanations and immediately write code, with no setup, installations, or local configuration. This removes a lot of friction and makes it easier to focus on skills instead of tools. Folks, this is also why datacamp pairs well with Udemy. Datacamp focuses on hands-on practice and repetition, while Udemy adds a more academic layer with deeper explanations from university researchers and industry engineers. Together, they cover both execution and understanding. Datacamp is especially strong for building foundational skills. The structure is predictable, progress comes from small interactive challenges, and feedback is instant. This helps core concepts stick before moving into more complex AI or engineering topics. Friends, instead of jumping between random courses, datacamp organizes learning into clear career tracks. These tracks act like a roadmap, guiding you from beginner concepts to real applied skills. Today, I'm focusing on one specific example: the Associate Python Developer track. You can think of it as a GPS for learning programming. You don't need to plan what to study next or worry about missing important topics. The route is already designed. Mates, this track includes everything from absolute basics to professional level tools. It's made up of 8 connected courses that build on each other logically, so each new topic feels like a natural next step instead of a sudden jump. Inside the track, you can already see how everything is structured. 8 courses are organized into clear chapters, starting from the absolute basics and gradually moving toward professional tools. And right in the middle, there's a dedicated projects section. This is where theory turns into real code. 2 hands-on projects are included, designed to help you build real programs that you can actually add to your portfolio. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Right in the middle of the track, there's a dedicated project section. This is where theory turns into real code. 2 hands-on projects are included, designed to help you build programs you can actually add to your portfolio. Guys, theory is important, but employers want to see real code. And this is exactly how learning works inside this track. You're not memorizing syntax or passively watching examples. Every concept turns into action almost immediately. You write code, run it, see the result, and correct mistakes as you go. Friends, the learning flow itself is very structured. You move step by step through a clear sequence that's already planned for you. There's no guessing what to learn next, or bouncing between unrelated topics. Each course builds on the previous one. You start with the basics, reinforce them through repetition, and only then move on to more advanced concepts. This removes one of the biggest beginner problems: decision fatigue. Folks, over time, this creates a clear sense of progress. You always know where you are, what you've already learned, and what skill comes next. That's what turns learning Python from a chaotic experience into a manageable process. Lessons usually start with short, focused video explanations. Instructors explain concepts clearly and show how they are used in practice. Immediately after that, you move into hands-on exercises. Mates, you write Python code directly in the browser using datacamp's built-in coding environment. There's no need to install anything or switch tools. If something doesn't work, you can retry, review the explanation, or adjust your code instantly. For example, you can watch the lesson, then immediately practice in the coding environment. You can run your code, check the answer, use hints if you get stuck, and move to the next exercise without leaving the platform. Everything lives in one workspace. While coding, all explanations remain accessible in the same screen. You don't need extra tabs, documentation searches, or external tools. The entire workflow stays focused. Guys, the platform also supports learning in multiple languages and includes a progress system with experience points and challenges. This helps maintain consistency instead of short bursts of motivation followed by long breaks. There's also a daily XP system, challenge modes, and the ability to create notes while learning. These notes can later become small reusable code snippets for your own projects. Another key part of the learning experience is the built-in AI native assistant. This isn't a separate chatbot, it's integrated directly into the lesson. Folks, you can ask questions while coding, request explanations, or get help fixing errors without leaving the environment. The assistant understands the context of what you're working on and adapts to your level. In practice, it works almost like a personal programming coach. Imagine going to the gym alone versus training with a coach who watches your technique and corrects mistakes immediately. AI native does something similar for coding. It analyzes what you're doing, explains errors, suggests improvements, and adapts explanations to your level. If something is easy, it doesn't slow you down. If something feels difficult, it provides extra clarification exactly where needed. Think of it like having a personal trainer during a workout, correcting mistakes and adjusting difficulty in real time. Friends, as you progress through the track, difficulty increases gradually. Writing your first lines of Python feels approachable at the start. Later, you're introduced to concepts like object-oriented programming and decorators, skills that separate beginners from professional developers. You're not rushed, but you're also not stuck repeating basics forever. Step by step, the platform prepares you for real-world tasks, real projects, and real expectations from employers. Mates, the most important thing is that none of this feels chaotic. There's no guessing, no random tutorials, and no wasted time fighting setup issues. Just a clear system that takes you from zero to confident Python development in a way that actually makes sense. Okay guys, let's sum this up. The full career track takes just over 30 hours, which makes sense for a serious career shift. If that feels like too much at first, datacamp also offers a shorter entry point. The Python Programming Fundamentals track takes around 16 hours and is built for complete beginners. It covers 4 core courses and stays focused on practical learning. The track ends with a real hands-on project inside datacamp's Data Lab notebooks, where you write actual Python code and can use AI assistance. By the end, you have a real project you can add to your portfolio. No setup, no downloads, just start coding. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.